How to enable dark mode in Word Excel PPT. Dark mode can help protect your eyes by reducing glare from screen. Microsoft Word Excel PowerPoint let you set dark mode. Open Word, click File, and then click Account. In the Office Theme drop-down box, we see a variety of themes to choose from. Here we mainly choose dark gray and black, these two themes. You can set the interface to dark mode. After selecting dark gray, the whole interface will become dark gray immediately, and the main interface is also dark gray, but the page background is white. Black is also a common theme. After choosing black, the whole interface will be black immediately, the main interface is also black, but the page background is also black. You can go to View tab after setting dark mode, and click Toggle Mode to toggle between dark and white page background. In Excel and PowerPoint is the same way. Open PowerPoint, click File, and then click Account. You can see the same settings.